How dedicated would you be when launching a YouTube channel? Well, I'm Ann Marie Walts. Hit subscribe. My channel is Think Your Way to a Million. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going to bring you behind the scenes on how I'm going to implement and be proactive to be working on, are you ready? Wrapping a vehicle. This isn't the first time I've done this as far as like assist in setting up the design for my concept. And I thought, hey, I might as well turn this into a tutorial. So you can see I'm going to use ChatGPT. I took some pictures of my car and then I dropped them into Canva. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload the screenshot that I took. All right. And I want to see what my car would look like if it was, whoops, hold on. Sorry about that. If my car was black. All right. So I'm going to put in here, please show me what my SUV would look like if it was solid black. All right. And if you haven't watched my ChatGPT videos, check them out. I bring you all the way into the basics if you are new to this. All right, so now we're going to hit that, and it's thinking. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a new image, which is my starting point, because I think I want to change my whole entire appearance of my car to black with red on it. And if you're like, well, why didn't you just buy a black car? Because you know what, I didn't. But I've had my vehicles wrapped before, and it's a really, really cool process. And I didn't have the idea at first about thinkyourwaytoamillion.com. It's a passion project of mine. I know how to use the internet. My family is debt free, an artist that knows how to use tech. And so the combination of that, I want to share my passion for that to be able to help maybe somebody have an idea that they're like, wow, I should really put one of my ideas together. And voila, take a look at this. We now have, are you ready? We have a black car. And so next, what I can do is I can now download this. All right, I'll save it here. So I'll say black example, SUV example. I can hit save, right? And then what I can do next is I can go into Canva here. I'll X out of there. And then I'm going to go home, all right? And then I'm going to go to the wrap idea. This is the original wrap idea. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload. I'll go here, all right? And then I'll go to recent, here. And then now, all with a couple clicks and a prompt, I can then add a page. And it wasn't like this with my first wrap. My first wrap, it was painstaking as far as like trying to, I have a photography background, so I had used the Adobe products at the time. But this is 2025. That's 12 years ago. So now I can just remove the background so that it's not redundant. All right. And then now, look at this. So now I can start adding what I want to it as far as say for graphics. So it's a really cool way to be able to really drive home when you're working with a graphic company what your vision is. So for me, my website is Think Your Way to a Million.com. And by no means am I guaranteeing or saying anything that, you're going to make $1 million by following me. According to, like, say, FTC regulations, it's important for me to share with you that I am an affiliate marketer. I'm a business owner, and, I only recommend the products that I use. And so the ideas and systems that I've built, it comes and stems from my own personal knowledge. And so that's why I'm putting the channel together. And of course, in life, your results are going to are going to vary depending on your effort. So we're off to the races on this. But I thought I'd just take this quick 5 minutes to just give you an example of how to change the color of an object with just a few clicks and a prompt. So there you go.